everyone. Today I am gonna try to sneeze with my eyes open because a lot of people have been, like, for years people are saying it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. And that was a trend like 2 years ago, but I'm gonna try to do it. I know how to make myself sneeze, but you can kind of see what I do in the weird sneezes video that I was going to delete because it's really embarrassing because I'm just sitting in my closet like a weirdo. And I was just like, the angle's like this. But I got so many views that I didn't, because I never get almost 300 views. But anyway, let's get on with the video. I'm not... I don't even know if that was a sneeze, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, I definitely closed my eyes. Like, that was a powerful sneeze, because in class, whenever I have to sneeze, I don't do it intentionally, but whenever I sneeze, I'm like, achoo! And then at home, I'm like, ugh. Kind of weird. Achoo! I don't even know if that... I don't know if that was an actual sneeze, because all I said was, achoo! Okay, I'm going to try a couple more times to do this. Okay, I lost my sneeze. I couldn't stop myself from opening my eyes. So, I think a couple times. I was able to sneeze with my eyes open, but I don't even know if I was actually sneezing or my mouth was just making weird noises. Don't ask me what I'm doing because I honestly don't know. Oh, has anybody like put a whole bunch of soap in their hands like at school and then clapped? Whoa. Soap. Sup. Peeps. Okay guys, bye.